Hey everyone, welcome to our video on the top 5 easy Microsoft Excel formulas you need to know. Excel is a powerful tool for data management, analysis, and visualization, and knowing these essential formulas can help you work more efficiently and effectively with your data. Let's get started. Sum. The sum formula allows you to quickly add up a range of cells. Simply type equals sum, and select the cells you want to add up. Press enter and the total will appear. Average. The average formula calculates the average value of a range of cells. Type equals average, and select the cells you want to average. Press enter and the result will appear. Max. The max formula returns the maximum value in a range of cells. Type equals max, and select the cells you want to find the maximum value for. Press enter and the result will appear. Min. The min formula returns the minimum value in a range of cells. Type equals min, and select the cells you want to find the minimum value for. Press enter and the result will appear. Count. The count formula counts the number of cells in a range that contain numbers. Type equals count, and select the cells you want to count. Press enter and the result will appear. There you have it, the top 5 Microsoft Excel formulas you need to know. With these formulas, you can easily perform basic operations. To learn more, simply subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching.